Hello and welcome to World Free Learning, your course Database Management Systems. This being your first lesson, we're going to kick off with Introduction to Database Management Systems. Under this topic, we aim to understand what database management systems are, their functions, and their application in real-world scenarios. I'm Mr. Mukure Duncan, and I'll be taking you through this wonderful topic. Let us begin. What is a database? A database management system, into brackets DBMS, is a software that allows users to create, manage, and manipulate databases. It acts as an interface between users and databases to ensure efficient handling of data. Examples include, we have MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL. You might ask yourself, why are databases important? Or why is a database important? Number one, databases organize and control data efficiently. Number two, they support concurrent user access. Finally, they help in maintaining data integrity and security. Key concepts in database management systems. Before we begin, there are terms you should be able to explain. We begin with data. These are raw facts and figures stored in databases. Number two, we have databases itself, a structured collection of data organized for easy access. A database management system, a software that helps store, retrieve, and manage data in databases. I hope you can see the distinction between a database and a database management system. SQL, what we also refer to as the structured query language, is a standard language used to manage and query databases. We also have tables, rows, and columns, the fundamental structures in which data are stored inside databases. We have the primary key, a unique identifier for a record in a table. We all know the purpose of a primary key. It's to avoid redundancy in databases. Foreign key, a field in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. You'll encounter this while establishing relationship under database design and architecture. Functions of a database management system. Number one, we have data storage and retrieval, where we say efficiency in storing and retrieving large amounts of data. Number two, we have data security. Say databases implements authentication and authorization to control access. Third, we have data integrity. Maintains accuracy, consistency, and reliability of data. Number four, have backup and recovery. Databases ensure data is not lost in case of failure through backups and restoration capabilities. Multi-user access. Databases allow multiple users to interact with data without conflicts. Data abstraction. Databases hides complex internal data structures from users, making databases easier to use and interact with. Advantages of database management systems. Number 1, data organization. Data is structured efficiently for easy retrieval. Number 2, data security. Authentication mechanisms help protect sensitive data. Number 3, reduced data redundancy. Eliminates unnecessary duplication of data. This is done through the primary and the foreign keys, which were previously discussed in the key concepts in database management systems. Improved data sharing. Number 4, multiple users can work on the same data without inconsistencies. 5, data integrity and accuracy. Built-in constraints maintain data's validity. Lastly, we have better decisions. Enables organization to derive insights from stored data. This helps in decision making, as the facts and statistics gathered from these databases help inform better decision making policies. Disadvantages of database management systems. Number 1, we have high cost. Databases require investment in software, hardware, and skilled personnel to operate the databases and the necessary equipment. Complexity. Number 2, setting up and maintaining a database requires expertise. Third, performance issues. Large databases may experience slow response time if not optimized. Security risks. Number 4, unauthorized access or cyber attacks can compromise sensitive information. Finally, under the disadvantages of DBMS, data migration challenges. Moving data between different database management platforms can be complex. Applications of database management systems. Number 1, we look at education. Databases help manage student data, courses, and grading systems. Examples, we have university portals and learning management systems. Social media is number 2. Handles user accounts, posts, messages, and interaction. Examples, we have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and every other large social media handle or platform you know of. Number 3, we have applications in government. It is used for identity management, tax records, and law enforcement databases. Databases can also be applied in banking. Number 4, manages customer transactions, accounts, and security features. Examples, we have the automated teller machines and the online banking systems. We have e-commerce as number 5, stores customer details, order tracking, inventory management. Examples, we have platforms like Amazon, eBay, Kilimall, Jumia, Jiji Soko, etc. Healthcare. It stores patients' records, prescriptions, and billings. Examples, we have the electronic medical records systems. So you can look up more applications. I'm sure we have more than the 6 listed in this slide. Moving on. This brings us to the end of our presentation. What have we learned today? In summary, a database management system is essential software that helps in managing structured data efficiently. It enhances data security, integrity, accessibility, and organization. Used across multiple industries, from banking, social media, we've mentioned e-commerce, we've mentioned government, among others. While it has some challenges, its advantages make it indispensable for modern businesses. I think that is all we can say for our lesson today. I hope you have learned something new. I hope it has been engaging and visually appealing. Allow me say, have a good time until we meet next lesson.